Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm gonna give myself a keratin treatment. It's also called a Brazilian blowout. This is what I'm going to be using. It's called Keratin Research. So the first step is to clarify your hair with the clarifying shampoo. I already did that. I already showered and washed my hair with the shampoo. If you don't know, clarifying shampoo, it really strips everything out of your hair to prepare it for the keratin. So I usually like to be all natural with my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in a very long time. I blow dry once in a while, but now I really want my hair straight because it's getting hot and humid, and the humidity makes the wave pattern of my hair not as defined. Like you can see, it's just like loose and frizzy. So I definitely want to tame that, and most importantly, do you guys see this layer of hair sitting on top of my regular hair? Like my hair is so dry that it just doesn't stay together. It doesn't stay together. And I just want some easy hair. I just want some easy hair. So okay, so the next step after clarifying your hair is to blow dry it. I always like to let my hair dry as much as possible naturally. So it's about 90% dry, and now I'm gonna blow dry it all the way completely straight. Okay, everything is dry now. So the next step is to separate your hair into pieces and start putting in the keratin. So I'm gonna do 4 sections, 2 pieces in the front, 2 in the back. Okay, so I think the 2 sections in the back are actually too big, so I'm gonna separate these into halves also. Okay, so now you have to like lather your hair with the product everywhere. So this is my first time doing this, by the way. I don't know if this will work or if it's gonna work. But it can't help, so let's see if it works. So I'm making sure I put enough product on the end, like from the middle all the way to the end. I did get a Brazilian blowout in the salon like maybe 5 years ago, and she did a great job, but she definitely didn't focus on my ends, and it showed throughout the weeks. So after you lather the product on your hair, like comb it out. If you have a fine tooth comb, that would be ideal, but I don't have one. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the back and bring down the next section. Okay, so the product is all in my hair. Wow, it's getting kind of hard to comb. Okay, so the next step is straightening your hair, but it feels good. My hair feels very saturated with the product, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna start straightening. And again, I'm gonna take it section by section. Okay, so I'm actually all done. It felt like it took forever. It's definitely very shiny and silky right now. Wow, look at that. My hair definitely doesn't shine like this when I straighten it normally. Okay, so what happens now is I have to wait 3 days and not wash the hair, not get it wet, no humidity, nothing like that, to just let the product sit in and stay for a little longer. So I want to talk about my goals, my expectations. So even if my hair comes back wavy, like it doesn't stay straight, I'm fine with that. Mainly what I'm looking for is that my hair does not get frizzy. Like, I'm tired of the frizz. I can't control my frizz. So I hope this helps with the frizz. If it curls again, I don't care, as long as the curls are not frizzy. Even if this actually doesn't even work at all, I will continue to use this product whenever I straighten my hair, because normally when I straighten my hair, it's never this shiny and silky and smooth. Like, never. I can never get it this shiny. So I'm gonna include this product into my styling process because my hair feels amazing right now. Wow, very nice, very silky. Very silky. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna touch base in 3 days and see how my hair is holding up, and stay tuned. I'm finally ready to wash my hair. It feels so bad. It's very greasy and it feels so flat. So I will be back with the washed and clean and dried hair. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is fully dried. And look at the results. This is how it dried naturally. It's definitely not as straight or smooth and shiny as it was when I just had done the keratin, but it's definitely significantly straighter, smoother, and silkier than how my hair dried naturally before I did this. Do you see the difference? That's how my hair naturally dried, and this is how it's naturally drying now. It still has some dents in it, some curls, but it looks so good. And even though it's still not as, like sleek and shiny, it's still very shiny. And it's still so soft. Oh my god. And if I did want to straighten my hair some more so that it could be smoother and sleeker, it would probably only take me a couple minutes, whereas usually to straighten my hair it takes like 40-45 minutes. So this is a no-brainer. Actually, I'm going to straighten it with my hair straightener to see how long it'll take to get that very sleek look. So I'm just gonna straighten it now. Okay, honestly, I'm satisfied with this. This looks so good. So nice and shiny and smooth and silky. Before, I could never get my hair this nice looking when I straightened it. Like, even after spending 45 minutes straightening my hair, it would still not be sleek and shiny. But now look at this, 2 minutes and it's gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so happy. God, I wish I had discovered this product in high school when I was struggling with hair. Okay, look at this. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, everyone needs to buy this. Everyone needs to try this. This is unbelievable. Oh my god. It feels so good. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, wow, I highly recommend it. Even if you're just looking for smoother, silkier, shinier hair, this is definitely a product you can add to your everyday hair routine, your styling routine, to amplify your results. Insane, insane. Okay, I'm gonna end this here. So I can eat my midnight snack. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you and you learned something about keratin and a Brazilian blowout. If you tried this, please let me know. Please let me know how it works for you, and please subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video.